Hey there, travel enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tech and travel hacks to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling something that's super relevant for 2025. How to charge your Expedia virtual credit card. If you're planning trips and want to manage your finances smoothly, this guide is for you. Let's dive right in. First off, what's an Expedia virtual credit card? It's a digital card linked to your Expedia account, designed for seamless bookings on flights, hotels, and more. In 2025, it's got upgraded features like enhanced security and easy integration with mobile wallets. The key is charging it, which basically means adding funds so you can use it without dipping into your main bank account. Step 1. Make sure you're logged into your Expedia account on their app or website. If you don't have one, sign up, it's quick and free. Once you're in, head to the Wallet or Virtual Cards section. This is where all the magic happens. Step 2. Select your virtual credit card from the list. You'll see an option to add funds or reload. Click that, and you'll be prompted to link a payment method, like your bank account or another credit card. Expedia supports major providers, so choose what's convenient for you. Step 3. Enter the amount you want to add. Remember, in 2025, there might be new limits or bonuses, so check for any promotions. Confirm the details and authorize the transaction. It usually processes instantly, but keep an eye out for any verification codes sent to your email or phone. A few tips to keep it smooth. Always use a secure network to avoid any risks, double-check for fees associated with loading funds, and track your balance regularly through the app. This way, you won't overspend on your adventures. And that's it. You've successfully charged your Expedia virtual credit card and are ready for your next trip. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more travel tips, and drop a comment below with your experiences. Safe travels, everyone. See you in the next video.